Good morning, all of you. I will teach the mathematics second class, semester 1, our sixth lesson, money. In previous video, I will already explain about the money. Money are two types. The first one is the coins and the second one is the rupees. First one is the what? Coins. Okay, and the next second one is the notes. Money in two types. Okay, coins are so many and also notes are the so many types. Okay, let's come to our exercise 6.1. 6.1, fill in the boxes. One has been done for you. Okay, 6 rupees and 70 pies. Rupees are two types. The first one is the rupee and second thing is the pies. And also 1 rupee is equal 100 pieces. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pieces. And the dot is separated by rupees and pieces. The dot is separated by rupees and pieces. For example, 60 rupees. What is it? It is the symbol of rupees. 60 rupees dot 70 pies. 60 rupees dot 70 pies. This is the 60 rupees 70 paisa right here. So that's why it is the exercise 6.1. What is it? 6 rupees and 70 paisa. So it is a symbol of rupees 6. 6 rupees and dot 70 paisa. Why? Because why are you write the dot here? Because dot is separated the rupees and pieces. And next thing 100 rupees and 60 paisa. 100 rupees and 60 paisa. How to write the 100 rupees and 60 paisa? First, it's the symbol of rupees 100 dot and 60 paisa. Why? Because dot is separated by rupees and pieces. Also like that, solve it. Exercise 6.2, fill in the blanks. What is it? It is the rupee symbol. 10 rupees equal to dash rupee coins. 10 rupee coins make 10 rupees. So 10. 100 rupees coins will make 100 rupee note. 100 rupee note. Okay. 150 rupee note is equal to dash 5 rupee notes. 10 5 rupee notes. So like this, all of you fill it this exercise. Okay, in second thing, once look here, what is this 100 rupee note? What is the cost of ball? 88 rupees. 88, we have a 100 rupee note. Ball cost is the 88 rupees. Are you purchase or not of 100 rupees note for this ball? Yes or no? So yes. Why? Because 88 is very less than 200. So easily purchase this ball. And once look here, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 70, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, 10 rupees, total 80 rupees. What is the cost of doll? 56. You have a 80 rupees. We have a 80 rupees. The cost of the doll is 56 rupees. Are you purchasing or not of this ball to this money? Yes, easily purchase this toy. Okay. So this type, all of you solve this exercises. Our next topic was addition of rupees and pieces. Addition of rupees and pieces. How to add the rupees and pieces? How to add the rupees and pieces? Add 10 rupees 60 paisa. Why? Because the dot is separated to rupees and pieces. It is the add 10 rupees and 60 paisa and 28 rupees 20 paisa. So first of all, write the first one 10 rupees 60 paisa and the second one is the 28 rupees 20 paisa. It is the symbol of addition plus. So add it easily. First add the places. So first add these two zeros. 2 zeros are 0 and 6 plus 2 8. Okay. So write the dot. Why? Because dot is separated to pieces and rupees. And next 0 plus 8 8. 1 plus to 3. So the adding of the 10 rupee plus 60 paisa, 28 rupees and 20 paisa is equal to 38 rupees and 80 paisa. 38 rupees 80 paisa. This is the process of addition of rupees and paises. Our next topic, subtraction of rupees and paisa. In previous topic was the addition, it is the subtraction. Subtraction of rupees and paisas. Look here, subtract 30 rupees 30 paisa from 79 rupees 40 paisa. So subtract the 30 rupees 30 paisa from 79 rupees 40 paisa. So first of all write the 79 rupees 45 paisa. It is the dot. Why? Because dot is separated to rupees and paises. And next thing, 32 rupees 30 paisa. It is the minus symbol. It is the symbol of the subtraction. So first of all, subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Write the dot. Why? Because dot is separated to rupees and paises. And 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. So subtracted from 79.45, 32 rupees 30 paisa. What is the answer? 47 rupees 15 paisa. 47 rupees 15 paisa. It is the process of subtraction of rupees and paises. All of you look here. Exercise 6.3. First one, add the following. Take in the first one. I will give you the example. Look here, addition. How to add the rupees and paises. Okay. Take the first one. 28 rupees 40 paisa and the second one 37 rupees 45 paisa. Okay. It is the symbol of addition. So add 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 4, 8. Dot. Why? Because dot is separated to rupees and paises. Rupees and paises. Okay. So 7 plus 8, 15. 7 plus 8, 15. So 5 is right here and 1 right next place value. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So the addition of the 28 rupees 40 paisa and 37 rupees 40 paisa is equal to 65 rupees 85 paisa. 65 rupees 85 paisa. It is the addition of the rupees and paises. Look here, and in this exercise, second one, subtract the following. Subtract the following. The first one is the 38 rupees 20 paisa from 79 rupees 45 paisa. Look here, this is one taken from. So 70 subtracts the 79 rupees 45 paisa. So subtract the 38 rupees 20 paisa. It is the symbol of the subtraction. So subtract 5 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. So these are the paisa, these are the rupees. So the answer of the 41 rupees 20 paisa, 41 rupees 25 paisa, 25 paisa. Okay. 41 rupees 25 paisa. Okay. This is the subtraction of rupees and paisas. All of the children, I hope all are understanding these topics. How to subtract the paisa and rupees, how to add the paisa and rupees. Okay, and how to separate the paisa and rupees. Okay. These all exercises are solve it very easily. Thank you so much all of you.